Hi and welcome to Sam's Kitchen Chronicles. I'm here standing in front of Padkapaw, which is considered to be one of the best Thai restaurants in Seoul. And today we're gonna meet with the chef and we're gonna be making a few dishes and he's gonna show us around in his kitchen. So let's go inside. So we had a little bit of a lunch rush, and now that that's over, we're gonna order a few dishes ourselves, and Pao is gonna show us how it's done. So I'm gonna go with a pad see ew. I myself have a pad see ew recipe. I wanna see the master do it, so I gotta learn from the master. So Pao, what are you gonna have for lunch today?
Spicy fried rice.
Spicy fried rice.
With seafood.
Okay, seafood spicy fried rice with basil. And then our cameraman John is gonna get drunken noodles, sober noodles as he calls it. Yeah, so let's get started. Kee Mao?
Kee Mao.
Kee Mao.
With chicken. Right. Okay, let's show this. This is a pad see ew.
Pad see ew.
Garlic. I already boiled the pork.
Okay.
And
Pad see ew with garlic and pork. Kale. Do you know what cut of pork that is? Like what part?
box side. Yes, it's neck. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Cool.
So this is like we have a garlic, we have pork, we have kale, we have black soy sauce, white sugar, oyster sauce.
Oyster sauce. Can you sub that for like brown sauce, like hoisin sauce?
Hoisin sauce, it's just
different.
Yeah, it's different.
Okay.
But you can use it if you like it.
Okay.
It's just like play with it.
That's
play
what I do.
Anything. Yeah. Because we don't have much space. Instead of we have the pork
Stock powder.
The stock powder instead. So it will give you don't have to prep too much, just like roll with it. That's all I use.
Cool.
And today, since we don't have the lap noodle.
Oh yeah. The thicker.
Yeah, thicker. So we're gonna use the rice noodles.
All right. Great.
So let's get the wok ready. Right. This is the way I do it.
Okay.
I just put it here.
Oh, okay. He just puts the sauce right on.
Black soy sauce.
Oh, it's thick.
Yeah,
and the sugar, just puts it all in one plate.
And a touch of pork powder. That's it.
That's it. All right.
So, oil it.
Oil in.
I use 2 eggs.
2 eggs.
The garlic oil,
the regular oil with the garlic oil,
and put the
noodles in,
touch of water.
Touch of water?
Yeah, a little bit.
To help the noodles cook.
Yeah, a little bit. Not too much. You have to play with that. Oh, so everything. That's it.
Everything in.
A little bit higher than we. So when you think this is half good, like almost done, before you finish it, just up the high, like maximum. And lower it, get it touch the air.
So putting it on high heat is going to give you the char, the smoky flavor. This is what I eat at home.
It's crazy. White pepper?
White pepper?
Yeah.
Ooh.
And it will be hot until the last bite.
Oh.
Ready?
Yeah. Beautiful.
Look at that smell.
Pad see ew.
That's it.
By Padkapaw. Beautiful. So next, what are we making?
We're making Kee Mao chicken.
Mao chicken. This is the drunken noodles.
The drunken noodle,
Okay.
but less spicy. Less spicy.
Less spicy. Okay. So first you cut the chicken.
Same thing, which is
Okay, boil the chicken. Just to get it started, right?
yeah.
Beautiful.
A little bit of chili.
Alright, so we got some garlic, we got some chili.
Bird actually.
Bird eye chili.
Yeah. And
Onions.
onions,
Sugar.
sugar, oyster sauce.
Sauce. Fish sauce.
I think the most important thing is you know how to use the wok. You can. You know you will. But somehow you don't know how to explain the crap.
Right.
Explain it in this country.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's all about the wrist action, right?
Yeah. Oh. Eggs in.
Alright, start with egg.
I've always eaten 2 eggs.
2 eggs.
Same process.
Same process.
Maybe it's not the difference.
So what's the difference? What's the main difference between a patsiu and a drunken noodle?
Sauce
The sauce.
and basil.
Okay, so the drunken noodles get basil and the sauce is different.
Yeah, in Thailand we put a lot of spicy. This is all I can find. In Thailand we even put like a bamboo.
Oh, bamboo shoot.
Yeah, bamboo. Regular oil.
A little bit of regular oil. A little
Garlic
bit of garlic
oil.
oil.
Basil.
Lots of basil.
White pepper.
White pepper.
Thai heat.
Go.
That's it.
That's it. Padkapaw's drunken noodles. Beautiful.
So this is my food. My foods are basically I put almost everything. You know I love to cook my food with the wok. I love a lot of egg. I eat a lot of egg, like fried egg. I mean I gotta fry like 3 crispy egg on top of that, and on top of lots of chili and everything. So I don't know how to explain. I call it the leftover.
That's the chef's meal.
The leftover.
That's the stuff that's not on the menu.
Yeah, this is I just put like shrimp because I like shrimp. See, if you can see, we have kale here, which I will already serve the customer. I put this.
Some onions.
Yeah, lots of garlic.
Garlic. Yep.
And lots of chili.
Lots of chili.
I mean, if you know this chili, you will know like it's evil. So I will use all of it.
Yeah, that's a lot.
Yeah, I just grab a full hand of squid.
Ooh, a handful of squid.
Squid.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right.
So there's a lot of black, white pepper, sweet sauce,
What's that again?
oyster sauce. So my rice, I would put like a little bit of seasoning, sauce. That's it.
That's it.
That's it.
Simple.
Simple. If the egg is a little bit small, I would have 3 eggs.
Okay. 3 eggs for the chef.
The way I finish my egg is crispy, brown, and you know it's cooked all the way through.
Wow. It's amazing how much it puffs up.
Yeah, rolling like that. So just I was sitting. Wow. It's just it looks ugly, but you can taste it later.
Oh, it looks amazing.
So there you go.
Now, you can't make an egg like this at home, you know?
Another one egg
Another egg. What's this for?
for fried rice.
Fried rice.
There we go. just like, ooh, basil. That's why I call Padkapaw. Again, on top of that, little white pepper. Yeah. Let it sit for a while, smell it, and then you just. So. Fried egg on top. Ooh.